I received this cooktop so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. As soon as you open the box, you are gonna see that it has 2 burners and one looks larger than the other so that you can have different size pots going. And take a look. Here are the controls, super simple. It is just a knob and you can see that this is the cord to plug in. You can see that it's a nice thin profile, so that's gonna be really great to fit onto countertops, not take up too much space. Also gonna be really great for storage so that you don't have to worry about having it be too big. So I am really excited to give this a try. This is what it looks like on the countertop, and I really loved the slim design and just how easy it was to be able to use. I wanted to make some bacon, and so I used one of my pans. You can see that after it heats up just for a minute, that the coils get red, so it works really well, really fast, which I absolutely love. This is going to be so great to be able to have portable. This is going to be great if I'm using all the burners on my oven, and if I wanted to go somewhere for a party or Thanksgiving at someone's house and I didn't want to use up extras. This would be so fantastic to be able to use. I love the slim, sleek design and that it does have these little handles that are marked min and max, and you just turn them to be able to turn it on. It has that little LED indicator showing you that it is on. The light will pop off if it reaches that current temperature and then back on once it needs to heat back up again. So it kind of self-regulates and keeps that temperature at that nice even level, which is exactly what you need when you're doing some cooking. So overall, I absolutely recommend this as a really great option as a portable little stovetop, because it has been so easy to be able to use, and I think that it's going to be really versatile and used all the time. I definitely love it.